Overall, our experience with ManageEngine has been phenomenal, and that's not a word I like to use a lot. It, from sales to support to being at the user conferences and being able to integrate or ask questions from other technicians as well as the ManageEngine crew, has been a great asset. My name is Jeff Mitchell. I am the IT director at Wisconsin Lutheran Seminary. We are an organization where we teach young men how to become pastors. Our biggest issue was trying to figure out how to get people to actually submit a ticket. There was no ticket management system, so we had a lot of emails back and forth. When I first started in 2012, there wasn't a ticketing system. We implemented a small version of Spiceworks. As our environment changed, we wanted a bigger piece of the asset management, update management control, and we started looking at other features or other companies. We discovered ManageEngine about 12 years ago when we were looking for a bigger suite of features. We were using a different piece of software at the time, and it just wasn't collaborative enough where ManageEngine has all of those features and that can integrate, and it was just beneficial for us. ManageEngine became the deciding factor 12 years ago. In the 12 years that we've been using Service Desk Plus and Endpoint Central, we've had about 7,200 tickets. That covers a wide variety of tickets and a wide variety of issues, but it has made it that much easier for us to see multiple issues, identify certain issues that can be taken care of in a bulk setting rather than these one-off issues. One of the biggest benefits to Endpoint Central is the maintenance and management side of things. Being able to apply updates, rollout. ManageEngine, especially Endpoint Central, has been beneficial from the standpoint that we are able to remote manage a soft piece of a device, take care of any updates, apply group policies, standard policies, etc., without having to physically touch the machine and be that much more efficient. The first thing that I think of when I think of ManageEngine is their integration, their ability to have products that overlap each other and communicate with each other in such a way that it doesn't take away from the technology, it adds to the features, it makes every IT person's job significantly easier. Like in any position or any environment, updates and remote management can be an issue. There were a lot of features that were out there, log me in, etc. We felt that with the integration that ManageEngine had with Service Desk Plus and Desktop Central, now Endpoint Central, the integration was great, and it made it a lot easier to script things and control things and just move forward in the correct way. My three favorite things in ManageEngine, Service Desk Plus, as well as Endpoint, are the ticketing system, being able to go back and look at things that are recurring on a regular basis, or even being able to create the knowledge base. The knowledge base is so beneficial. This partnership with ManageEngine is definitely a two-way street. They take into consideration their clients as they need to they need to be able to listen to what clients are asking for, and even if it's not exactly an instantaneous piece, you know that they're working on it.